Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 3rd March 21 and it's a day 5 and it's week 6. We are ending our 6th week today of live trading and you can see in the right side window Sensex is up by almost 350 point. India VIX is down by almost 5% and Bank Nifty is up by almost 450 point and Nifty 50 is up by almost 110 point. India VIX is down by almost 5%, which is a very good sign for the market, but not for my position, because currently it's a very crucial situation because market is near to my break-even point, which is 36,050, and I have to make decision that I should hold my position or I should cut my position. But it's a morning time, it's only 10 a.m. right now, so I think that I should hold my position. So let's see what will happen. And one more thing guys, I do not comment on the full video, I comment when I make or squaring of my position. So please watch the full video so you can understand why I make or break my position. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. And right now it's the closing time of the market. It's almost 3:20, and you can see in the right side window India VIX is down by almost 7% and in Bank Nifty is about almost 950 point. So I have to cut my position because market has crossed my break-even point, which was 36,050. Now I'm making a new position where I bought 36,400 call 50 shares and sold 35,700 call 50 shares. I think I should make another position from the put side also, where I bought now I have bought 36,300 put one lot, 35,800 put 700 lot sold, and 35,300 put 75 share bought. So that is my position for tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. So please keep watching. Thank you so much.